Hello, it's Cooking Mike B. Got the raised beds over here, like my regular garden. I found a little somebody over here. See him? Look at him. See him? Little sneaky. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? I'll see you later, little buddy. As I was saying before, I found that snake. Excuse me. Got the tomato plant here. Lettuce is already coming in. Looks like cloves, but this is a different kind of lettuce. I'll show you more videos of it once it starts coming in more. Some little things right there. The birds are really talking to each other today. Yeah. All right. Well, it's the. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. These are the raised beds. This is first official video of this, and I'll keep updating as it gets going along with my other garden, my big garden. And so, hope you all stay safe, staying cool, staying hydrated. Please drink your water. It's very important. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.